Yo guys, thank you for watching to this amazing video. Today I cannot make a live stream. Unfortunately, earlier today I promised you, but I cannot make a live stream, and that's the reason why I'm making this video for you guys. So quick update on the market, what we are seeing here. Earlier today in the video, we were discussing this parallel channel moving to the downside, and every time we are touching this level, we are bouncing back to the upside. And earlier today, we were creating a very big time for Bitcoin, but we are getting supported very nice. We are reversing, and if you zoom into this dump in the lower time frames, if you look to the 15-minute time frame, you can see we are forming a V-shaped recovery here. So let's see how far we can recover. But I do want to be seeing this re-entry on this white line of resistance. Of course, previous support will be flipping into resistance, but it was very nice what we were seeing here, because you can see we were forming a higher, I will be getting it in the screen real quickly here, but you can see we were forming a higher low in the RSI, yet still a lower low in the price chart. So that was basically indicating that we are seeing a bullish divergence. So since then, we also moved a little bit to the upside here. And I do think that these sellers are right now getting pretty exhausted, because they cannot push the price that low here. We are in the end of the month, because, guys, we were discussing this yesterday also in the stream. And if you're already watching the channel for a long period of time, you know what we are thinking of the market right now. Because is this coincidence? Is this coincidence that we are once again moving to the downside? Because we are right now in the end of the month. We are right now by the end of the month. Of course, we are nearing April, and you can see in January, the end of January, we were sitting at the low. At the end of February, we were also sitting at the low, and right now it's March. By the end of March, we're all sitting at pretty low prices. So that is my reason to believe that I think the CME is pushing the price lower every time. Once we are nearing the end of the month. So please be careful. And please make also sure to not sell your Bitcoin right now, because if you're selling your Bitcoin right now, you don't know who you're selling to. These institutions are still buying more and more and more Bitcoin. And please, you don't want to get wrecked, right? You don't want to sell your Bitcoins to these big institutions. You want to buy Bitcoin yourself, because you want to make some good gains here. So please don't panic sell here, because that is the biggest mistake that can probably be made here. And also, we are right now re-entering this parallel channel. So there's still a possibility, in my opinion, that we're of course going to move back here to the upside, that we're going to move to these higher ranges before really flipping. Before really looking for new short positions. I should not really enter a short position at the moment, because we are also sitting at pretty low stages here on the 4-hourly RSI. So the momentum of the sellers is exhausting, guys. We will be moving to the upside anytime soon once again. And of course, I am really willing to catch this long trade to the upside. And let me know what you guys think as well here, because I really care a lot about what you guys think as well on the market. But in my opinion, we are going to see a move to the upside getting created anytime soon here. We are already having 2 impulsive moves to the downside here, and usually you are having 2 impulsive moves to the downside, and after that you're seeing some kind of an APC correction to the upside. So let's see if we're going to see this. Of course, I do think it's very likely. Of course, if we're heading towards the stop level of this resistance, probably we are already in April, and maybe by then we can even break that line. And of course, then we will be flipping extremely bullish here, guys. But make sure to also just accumulate more Bitcoin at these levels. If you're willing to trade, of course, be careful with trading. But I'm just trying to catch a big long position. I already entered my long positions over here, and I was entering more and more once we were dropping. Unfortunately, I couldn't get filled by my second target, because the 50K was for me a second target to add more to a position, to average in, to have a better price. But that was unfortunately not getting met. But still in a good position here. I'm in a good long position, so I definitely look forward to ride this one to new all-time highs, guys. I'm looking forward to ride this trade, and also help the team here in the trading competition, because in the end of the day, we want to become #1 here, guys. So I'm getting very excited, and let me know what you think. So also thing that I do want to be discussing is Ethereum real quickly. Ethereum, of course, yesterday forming this head and shoulders. It was earlier already forming this head and shoulders, but yesterday we were seeing the breakthrough and the follow-through getting created for Ethereum. But what you are having here, I set up a blue line, but I would rather set up a gray box, to be honest. If I set up a gray box, it will probably show more significance, because you can see over here, previously, we were getting supported, rejected, supported as well over here, rejected, and of course supported. So what you're seeing right now is that we are once again getting supported on the price action of Ethereum, and these gray boxes are holding up pretty good here. If you look to the price chart of Ethereum, you can see multiple levels of support, multiple levels of resistance, right now showing a lot of significance, guys. So that is of course what is making me feel very exciting. And guys, if you look to Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, you're seeing also something very interesting, and this is also a big warning sign why you do want to be very careful, because you guys know on the channel that we are looking to this chart already for a longer period of time, and of course discussing this almost in every single stream here. And because we cannot stream today, I will be doing this in a video. But you can see over here, this line of support was holding us up pretty strong here. This line was holding us up pretty strong. And you can see right now, and this is a big warning sign for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. And this is also showing me that we're probably going to lose some valuation for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, we're right now forming a previous support into resistance, already creating a wick on the top side and getting rejected here. So in my opinion, we can see this move down getting created. And the next target, really, if we're going to see a breakdown for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, this will be a pretty horrible target of approximately 30% to the downside compared to Bitcoin, of course. I'm not talking about the US dollar valuation. This one will probably be going up here, but the Bitcoin valuation is not looking good. But yeah, once we're seeing a reversal in this chart, of course, we're keeping you guys also up to date in the Discord server. We'll be trying to do my best here, but later today I cannot stream because I have to go out here. So probably tonight I cannot be very active in the Discord server as well here. But if you haven't already joined it, you can right now join it in the description. And also, if you want to sign up with the leverage trading exchanges, you can also get some very good bonuses. That one can you also find in the description. So right now, I will be wrapping up this video here. So thank you so much for watching here. And this is the chart in front of you that I should mainly look at. This downward sloping parallel channel for Bitcoin. In my opinion, it's imminent to see a move to the upside, at least a minor bounce here. If we're heading towards the 54K here, definitely already levels that you can be taking good profits. So if you're in a trade, please be careful. Trade at your own risk here and always look good at the market and always keep an eye out on the market because the market can reverse just like we saw earlier on. But yeah, creating this wick on the lower side is just extremely making me feel so bullish. A lot of people are still willing to step into the market, and that is the reason why you also should maybe start accumulating more Bitcoin. If you sold out already at the top and that you want to buy back lower, I mean, definitely right now is the time, guys. Definitely right now is the time because April is coming. Tomorrow it's Friday. On Friday, the CMA future contract is expiring and we can be going higher, guys. So definitely thank you so much for watching here. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel here because we just earlier today reached the 28K subscribers. Thank you so much for that, and I will be checking you guys tomorrow because tomorrow I can promise you, unfortunately today of course no live stream, but tomorrow I can promise you there will be a live stream. So it was an amazing day once again, guys, and don't forget to stay calm. Goodbye, guys.